Ever wondered how to capture professional quality audio? Welcome to our course summary of Audio Essentials, Capturing Clear and Professional Sound. This course summary is designed to give you a snapshot of the comprehensive course, providing you with key insights and valuable takeaways that can be applied in your own content creation journey. The importance of high-quality audio in content creation cannot be overstated. Whether you're a filmmaker capturing dialogue, a podcaster interviewing guests, or a content creator sharing your ideas, the clarity and quality of your audio can greatly enhance viewer engagement. Sound is a powerful tool that carries emotion, context, and information, and mastering it can elevate your content to new heights. Our course is divided into 5 key modules, each addressing a crucial aspect of audio production. From understanding the foundation of great audio, to selecting the right microphone and mastering recording techniques, to the intricacies of soundproofing and acoustics, this course has you covered. We'll also delve into the world of editing and post-production, providing you with techniques to enhance your audio even after it's been recorded. And finally, we'll arm you with troubleshooting strategies to solve common audio issues. Throughout the course, you'll gain in-depth knowledge and practical skills that can be applied immediately in your own content creation process. You'll learn to navigate the landscape of audio recording and production with confidence, enabling you to produce clear, professional quality sound that resonates with your audience. So whether you're an aspiring podcaster, a budding filmmaker, or a content creator looking to up your audio game, this course summary will give you a taste of the wealth of knowledge and techniques that await you in the full course. Stay tuned as we dive into the first module, the foundation of great audio. Scene script. Module 1 lays the groundwork for understanding the science behind great audio. As we delve into the world of audio recording, it's crucial to grasp the foundational principles that underpin this fascinating field. Think of audio as the heartbeat of your content. It's the invisible thread that connects your audience to the story you're telling. A crisp, clear sound can transport your listeners into the world you're creating. Whether it's the hushed whispers of a podcast mystery or the booming explosions in a cinematic masterpiece. So, what makes great audio? It's more than just hitting the record button. It involves understanding the nuances of sound waves, how they interact with the environment, and how they are captured by your recording device. Sound waves are like ripples in a pond, radiating outwards from the source. When these waves reach our ears, they vibrate our eardrums, which our brains interpret as sound. In audio recording, we're trying to capture these waves as accurately as possible to recreate the original sound. That's where the concept of frequency comes in. Frequency, measured in hertz, determines the pitch of the sound. High-frequency sounds are high-pitched, like a bird's chirp, while low-frequency sounds are low-pitched, like a bass guitar. Understanding frequency helps us capture a wide range of sounds and create a rich audio landscape for our audience. But great audio isn't just about the technical aspects, it's also about the emotion it evokes. The right sound can make your audience laugh, cry, or jump out of their seats. It can draw them in, hold their attention, and make your content unforgettable. That's why sound quality is so important. Poor audio can distract your audience, pull them out of the story, and even make them click away. But high-quality audio can elevate your content, increase engagement, and leave your audience wanting more. So as you embark on your audio journey, remember this: sound matters. It's not just an add-on to your content, it's an integral part of the story you're telling. Invest time in understanding the foundations of audio, and you'll reap the rewards in the form of engaged, captivated audiences. Up next, we'll explore Module 2, Microphones and Recording Techniques. In Module 2, we delve into the world of microphones and recording techniques. This module aims to equip you with the knowledge to make informed decisions when it comes to microphone selection and recording practices. Let's start with the types of microphones. There are essentially 3 major types: dynamic, condenser, and ribbon. Dynamic microphones are robust and versatile, perfect for capturing loud sounds without distortion. Condenser microphones, on the other hand, require power, but they offer superior sound quality, making them ideal for studio recordings. Ribbon microphones are delicate but provide a vintage sound, often used by professionals for specific audio captures. Now, the selection of a microphone isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. It largely depends on your specific needs. Are you recording a podcast or a vocal track for a song? Maybe you're capturing the ambient sounds of nature. Each of these scenarios calls for a different type of microphone. Once you've chosen your microphone, it's time to focus on recording techniques. An essential concept here is microphone placement. The distance and angle between your microphone and sound source significantly influence the quality of your capture. As a rule of thumb, closer placement results in a more direct and intimate sound, while further placement gives a more ambient and spacious sound. Another key aspect is the concept of gain. Gain is the sensitivity of your microphone, and managing it correctly is crucial. Too much gain can lead to distortion, while too little can make your audio sound weak and distant. Finally, let's touch on the importance of a pop filter. This handy tool reduces plosive sounds, those hard P&B sounds that can cause distortion in your recordings. Remember, the art of capturing clear and professional audio is a blend of technical knowledge and creative experimentation. So don't be afraid to experiment with different microphones and recording techniques. Join us in the next segment where we'll discuss Module 3. Soundproofing and Acoustics. Module 3 focuses on creating the perfect environment for recording, soundproofing, and acoustics. Now imagine you've got the right microphone, the best recording techniques at your fingertips, but your audio still sounds off. Why is that? The answer often lies in your recording environment. This module delves into the crucial role of soundproofing and acoustics in capturing professional quality audio. Soundproofing is about controlling the sound that enters and exits your recording space. It's like creating a sonic bubble that keeps unwanted noise out and the sound you want in. There are several methods to achieve this, from using specialized soundproofing materials to simple DIY solutions like heavy drapes or carpets. Acoustics, on the other hand, deals with how sound behaves within your recording space. Even the most minor details, like the shape of the room or the materials on the walls, can drastically alter your audio quality. This is why recording in a bathroom sounds different from recording in a carpeted living room. Understanding and manipulating these acoustic properties can help you optimize your recording space. For instance, using diffusers or absorbers can prevent sound reflections that cause echo or distortion. But what if you can't modify your environment? Not to worry, there's always a workaround. For example, using a high-quality directional microphone can minimize background noise. Or you can create a portable sound booth with a few simple materials. Remember, the goal is to control your sound environment as much as possible. This doesn't mean you need a state-of-the-art studio. Often a quiet room with a few modifications can produce excellent results. So that's a quick overview of Module 3. It's all about understanding your environment, controlling unwanted noise, and shaping the sound within your space. Whether you're recording a podcast episode or filming a video, mastering these techniques can significantly enhance your audio quality. In the next segment, we'll delve into Module 4, Editing and Post-Production. Post-production is where the magic happens. Module 4 dives into editing and post-production techniques. What's captured is raw and unrefined. It's in the post-production phase that we polish this raw audio to perfection. Editing is not just about removing the unwanted parts, it's about enhancing the best ones. The right editing techniques can turn a good audio clip into a great one. It's about knowing when to cut, when to amplify, and when to let the sound breathe. The right post-production tools can make all the difference. From equalizers to noise reduction tools, the options are endless. The key is to understand what each tool does and how it can enhance your audio. Every sound matters, every pause, every whisper, every echo. Post-production is where you have the power to control these elements, to tell your story the way it deserves to be heard. Stay tuned for the final module, Troubleshooting and Problem-Solving. In Module 5, we tackle common audio issues and provide solutions to ensure your audio is always top-notch. Now, even with the most careful planning and execution, audio problems can and do occur. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's start with echo. Echoes can make your audio sound distant and can be quite distracting. To troubleshoot this, consider your recording environment. Soft furnishings can help absorb sound and reduce echo. Another common issue is distortion. This usually happens when the audio levels are too high. To solve this, simply reduce your input volume to a level where the sound does not peak. Next up, we have the ever-persistent background noise. Now, some noise is inevitable, but excessive noise can be a real problem. To counter this, try to control your recording environment as much as possible. Consider using a high-pass filter to eliminate low-frequency noises. Let's wrap up with our conclusion and call to action. We hope this summary has given you valuable insights into the world of audio recording. From exploring the foundational principles of sound to diving into the nuances of microphone selection, we've covered the breadth and depth of what it takes to capture clear and professional audio. Our journey began with understanding the importance of sound quality in content creation. We then delved into microphones and recording techniques, where we learned how to select the right equipment and optimize sound capture. From there, we navigated the world of soundproofing and acoustics, discovering methods to minimize background noise and optimize recording spaces. In the editing and post-production phase, we learned strategies to enhance audio quality and the role of editing in shaping the final audio output. And finally, we tackled the art of troubleshooting, discussing solutions for common audio issues like echo, distortion, and background noise. But remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg. To truly master the art of audio recording, we invite you to dive deeper into each module in our course, Audio Essentials, Capturing Clear and Professional Sound. There, you'll find a wealth of knowledge, tips, and techniques to help you elevate your audio game. Remember, your audio quality can make or break your content. So, keep learning, keep experimenting, and keep creating. Thank you for watching our course summary of Audio Essentials, Capturing Clear and Professional Sound. We appreciate you taking the time to learn with us. It's our hope that you found value in this condensed exploration of audio mastery. If you've enjoyed this, please feel free to like this video, share it with others who might benefit, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Your support helps us to continue providing valuable resources like this one. Until next time, keep your sound clear and your content engaging.